Dobra, witam pięknie, ja jestem Niklaus. To jest gra o zombie, co się nazywa Żywe Trupy. Hehe, pozdro dla kumatych. No. I gramy, kontynuujemy. Nie wiem, który to odcinek, ale będzie na YouTubie napisane w tytule pyk.
Senator Crawford, the old school should be directly above us.
Okay, people. This is it. Remember the plan. We go in hard, hit them by surprise, grab what we need, and get the hell out. We need to do this fast, so everybody stay sharp, stay alert, and stay close together. Got it? And that part about staying
Będzie
close,
niezła akcja.
that goes double for you.
Włazimy. Znaczy,
Can't get a
pukniemy.
good look above with the cover on.
Dobra, kurde, Midtorm, być bardziej wyrozumiały. Nie banuj za takie rzeczy, ani nie usuwaj, ani nie timeoutuj.
Let's go.
Ale mrok.
Where is everybody? There should be guards patrolling.
What? You disappointed?
It's just strange is all.
I think I see one.
Ja zestresuję bub.
Okay. Me and Kenny will take
Ej,
this guy out.
dziwny jakiś, nie?
On my signal, the rest of you follow us over. Everybody got it? Okay, Kenny, let's do this quiet.
Podejrzane.
No shooting unless there's no other choice.
Right behind you.
Dobra. Na pyrę.
Put your hands over your head and get down on the ground. Get down on
Ej,
the
to jest
ground and
zombie.
we'll put you down.
To jest
Do
zombie.
it now.
Padom to jest zombie.
What the fuck? What the fuck is a walker doing inside here? Get inside!
O
Fast!
kurwa. Akcjo. Ej, to było ciekawe.
Fuck! Fuck! Do you think they saw us?
Ale to miała być
I don't
taka
think so.
super
I
baza,
think
nie?
we're good. For now,
Super
at
baza
least.
prosów.
What the hell happened here? I thought this place was supposed to be secure.
What always happens, I guess. In the end, the dead always win.
Oh man, we are so screwed.
No, this is good.
Ja się zgadzam trochę.
Vernon's right. We can deal with walkers easier than armed guards.
Dokładnie. Dobrze
I
gadam.
agree. So long as we don't let them box us in, we can still do this. The plan hasn't changed.
The plan hasn't changed? Every time walkers show up, the plan changes. Do you even have any idea how many of them are out there?
No.
Tego nienawidzę.
You want to do a head count?
Tego
Or do you
walimy na
wanna get
łeb.
what we need and get the hell out of here? Come on, I think I know which way to head.
Sprzedawczyk. Gnój. Nie lubię go.
I got
Będzie,
a bad feeling about this.
czego będzie się pozbyć przy najbliższej okazji.
Just keep moving.
Here.
Ej, ale ten dźwięk był
Looks
realistyczny.
okay. Everybody in.
Myślałem, że mi ktoś szafkę otwarł gdzieś tutaj. Broń.
Figures.
Siema, kapitanie Maczeta.
Looks like they were using this room as some kind of command center.
Okay, so now what? Where do we start looking?
Here. Just give me a sec.
Nie wierzę tej babie. Jest jakaś taka lewa.
Where can we find some fuel for the boat?
There's a maintenance shed across from the playground here. If they were storing fuel, that's probably where it'll be.
Where would be the best place to look for medicine?
Right here. Nurse's station. They were using it as a medical facility.
How do you know that?
Just makes sense, doesn't it?
So then we just need a battery. This auto shop. It's right next door.
Yep, it's called Herman's. You can't miss it.
Okay, I'll make the run to the maintenance shed for the fuel.
It'll be faster if I go with you. I can take you right to it.
I'll come too.
No, 2 people's enough. You stay here, see if you can use any of those tools we brought to get that armory door open. We might need to shoot our way out of here.
I'll go for the medicine.
I'll come with you. I know what to take.
Okay. Guess that leaves me to go find us a battery.
I'll go with you. Watch your back.
O,
Okay,
fajna
we've
babka.
got a plan.
Możemy iść.
Everyone be careful. Stay close to one another.
Jestem jak najbardziej
All meet back here.
za.
Good luck.
What about me? What can I do?
I need you to stay here with Ben and watch over our command center. I'm putting you in charge of it, okay?
You're leaving me with Ben?
I'm not leaving you with Ben. I'm leaving him with you. Understand?
Oh, okay.
Back before you know it.
Jak zdonatować? Kurde, Sybinio, tam jest kupa możliwości płatności. Poogarniaj tam sobie. Ciężko mi ci podpowiedzieć. Dobra, ogarniemy wszystko, co tu się dzieje.
Nothing but crayons and
Mnie nogi
construction
bolą.
paper.
Ała. Ben, kurde, to jest
Nothing
kawał
but crayons
cipska.
and construction paper.
Jego trzeba się pozbyć. Trzeba go zlikwidować.
So according to Bree, fuel is at the maintenance shed. Medicine might be at the nurse's office. And a battery would probably be at the auto shop out through here. The fuel's in a shed across from the playground. It's just
Dobra.
outside the stairwell.
To wszystko wiemy.
The Georgia state flag. A lot of history there. Not that it matters much now, I guess.
Szkodnik wrzut na... Tak. Szkodnik i wrzut na zdrowej tkance grupy przetrwalników. Odstrzelić. Pasożyta.
Creepy. Might come back for these later. Any reading material would be nice once we get on that boat.
No ja bym się martwił, kurde, na razie rzeczami bardziej typu paliwo do łodzi.
Hey, you need any help with that?
Thanks, I got it. Just once I'd like to do something useful, you know?
That'd make a nice change of pace.
Wow, no need to agree with me quite so much. Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Nie będę cię wspierał.
I'll let you get on with it.
Nie będę cię wspierał, bo jesteś pizduś.
No, wait. There is something you can help me with. Something that's been on my mind. I could use your opinion.
What is it?
It's Kenny. Since I've been helping him work on the boat, I've gotten to know him a little better. He's a good guy, you know? And it's eating me up knowing what I know. I've been thinking about telling him the truth.
Ben, come on. This again?
It's my fault Duck and Katya got killed. If I hadn't screwed up back at the motor inn, they'd still be alive. How am I supposed to just carry something like
No,
that around?
no.
I have to tell him.
Powiedz.
I agree. I think you should tell him. Just not now.
You don't get it, Lee. What am I supposed to do whenever he talks about Katjaa and Duck? Just nod and pretend like it wasn't my fault. I can't do it anymore.
Ben, listen. Kenny seems like he's got his shit back together because right now he's got a purpose. But he's still in a real bad place. You tell him now, he's gonna lose it. And then we're all screwed. There'll come a time when he's ready to hear it. But it's not now. Not yet.
I hear you. I'm gonna get back to this.
Kurde. Głupi jest.
Looks like they had quite a system here. Crawford's final solution.
Niezły motyw. Ostateczne rozwiązanie kwestii Crawfordowej. Dobra, co my tu jeszcze mamy?
You okay, Clem?
Yeah. This desk is just like the ones we have in my school. I know it's weird, but I kinda miss it, being in school.
Me too. I used to be a teacher, remember? Tell you what, when we find ourselves a safe place, set up a little classroom. Just you and me.
Will there be homework?
No homework.
Do you think things will ever be normal again? Just like the way they were before?
Yeah. It may take a while, but yeah, I do. Don't you?
I hope so.
That's good. You hold on to that hope. It's the one thing none of this can take away.
Tragiczne klimaty. Nie dość, że szkoła,
Just a bunch of paste.
to jeszcze zombie i w ogóle.
Have to wonder what's going on in the rest of the world.
Dobra, wyłazimy stąd. Chyba, że coś tu jeszcze jest ważnego. Ale raczej... Tutaj coś jest.
Hopscotch.
Dobra, idziemy. Not gonna be easy. Zasady Crawford. Czyli mieli porządek przynajmniej.
Must be the guy who ran this place. Looks
Przywódca.
like he figured himself as some kind of supreme leader.
Supreme Leader. O, jest kumpela.
Nothing.
The alleyway to the auto shop's
Yeah.
down here. You coming or not?
Ale strachłem. Zobaczymy do sracza.
Locked. Didn't need to use a bathroom anyway.
No, oni w ogóle, oni jak bohaterzy filmów. Nie muszą siku, kupę, nic nie muszą. Logan.
Too bad I don't know the combination to any of these.
No nie znam.
Too bad I don't know the combination to any of these.
No a tak?
Can't open it without the combination.
Piciu?
Think it's empty. Those Crawford people probably locked this stuff up somewhere.
Nope.
You guys need any help?
Thanks, but I think we're almost in.
We're taking care of it, Lee. Don't worry.
Be happy. Just everything is gonna be alright. Idziemy do Molly.
This must be the door to the alleyway where the auto shop is. But where the hell is Molly?
Molly jak zwykle się straciła.
Molly, you out here? Guess I'm not going that way.
Szkoda, że tu nie ma jakiegoś sprintu czy coś takiego, bo on tak wolno łazi. Delivers.
Auto shop must be down this way.
Dobra, idziemy tam. O kurde. Widzieliście? Coś kurde migło. Śmigło. Jak przeskoczył sprawnie.
Damn, it's jammed tight.
Idziemy dalej obejrzeć. Zombiaki sobie łażą.
Better not get too close.
Kuźwa. Kek?
Leave him! He's mine.
Where the hell have you been? Molly?
What?
Molly!
What?
What the hell do you think you're doing? It's dead already. I think you can lay off.
Don't tell me what to do. You kill geeks your way, I'll kill him mine.
Damn. He's wearing medical scrubs. Some kind of scientist or doctor, maybe?
Yeah, well, he ain't shit now. Did you find us a way in?
Yeah, but the garage door's jammed. Can't raise it.
Siema Peter. No może w dwójkę.
Not a problem. Look what I found.
Lewarek. Wiedziałem. On musiał być lewarek.
That'll work.
Come on!
Kurde. LOL?
Take a look around. I'll make sure no stragglers get under this door.
Jakim cudem ten gnój żyje jeszcze? Ej, bierzemy tira i odjeżdżamy. Jak wujek Bohun. To by było dobre, nie?
Well, I can see where the battery should be, but it's not.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Looks like Crawford had their own semi-trucks.
Fajnie, ej, takiego tira jakby odpalić, to jeszcze by był lepszy jak ten pociąg, nie? To by kurde normalnie można było rozjeżdżać superancko zombiki. And shit.
Can't reach it up there.
To nie jest tir, znaczy no... Wiecie o co chodzi, już nie bądźcie takie zawodowcy.
Looks like it's the hose for the lift hydraulics. No power. More of Crawford's
Nie więcej niż litr benzyny na mieszkańca oszczędzać.
Take my chances on the outside.
Z pociągiem... Z pociągiem nie było pokazane co się stało, po prostu dojechali i tyle. I gdzieś go tam zostawili pewnie.
It's locked. No way in.
Something you need?
What do you think happened to Crawford?
Don't know, don't care. As far as I'm concerned, these fuckers got what was coming to them.
Not a lot of sympathy for all the people who died here, huh?
I have about as much for them as they did for the sick and the old and anyone else they didn't think was fit to belong in their little paradise. So yeah, fuck them.
Fuck 'em right up the ass.
What was all that about back there?
He came at me up on that rooftop, tried to take a bite out of me, so I took care of business. What, you got a problem with me killing geeks?
Nah, it just seemed like you went to town on him a little more than you needed to.
Hey, you never really know when those things are all the way dead. I was just making sure. Look, you want to get this battery or not? Time's wasting.
Think I can borrow that hook thing of yours?
I don't know. Hilda and I have been through a lot together.
Hilda?
That's what I call her. Don't judge.
Please, can I borrow Hilda? I'll take good care of her. She won't get a scratch.
I got your promise now. Not a scratch.
Not a scratch. Nie, to nie jest 5. epizod, to jest 4. 4.
I did it. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Zaje
That's
pasztet.
probably not good.
No shit!
I'll try to hold him off. Hurry!
There's the battery. Finally something goes right. Still attached to the terminals.
No jak?
It's off.
Aha.
Got that one off.
Jest.
Got it.
Yeah, but we still got a problem here. Put it in here. I'll carry it.
Ciul akumulator taki dupny do
Okay,
plecaka.
follow me. Move your ass!
Ale Kaj! A tu! Aaaa! Dobra.
Great. Now what?
Skylight.
It's shut.
Shoot it out!
No fajnie, ale jak ja mam wskoczyć? A.
Okay, so now we're on a roof.
Do you ever stop complaining? Come on.
To jest chyba Polak Murzyn, cały czas narzeka. O, ja mam taki skok zrobić, tak?
Come on, what are you, chicken? Jump!
No,
What did you call me?
patrzcie.
Well, now that you mention it.
A! Ej, a ciekawe czy mogłem spaść, chociaż jakbym spadł to bym się chyba zabił, podejrzewam.
Come on.
Later. Something I gotta do first.
What?
Catch you later.
Wait, you've still got the battery.
Yeah, I think I'll hold on to it. Make sure you don't leave without me. See you back in class.
Molly! God damn it, what the hell is she doing?
Czy długo gram? Nie, 20 minut.
Little help! Little help here!
Harfa.
Fuck! The doors won't close all the way!
Lee, do something!
We got it!
Brace the door with something!
Think that'll hold?
It damn well better.
There's so many of them.
No,
We got the fuel!
Let's not start high-fiving each other just yet. Let's get the hell back to the classroom. Give us a hand with these fuel cans. They weigh a goddamn ton.
ale odeszli spokojnie, nie? W ogóle nie przejęci.
You're back!
Yeah, and we made out pretty good, too.
Great work, Kenny.
How you doing with that door?
Not so good.
Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Bree?
Hey, Lee. Thanks for all your help back there. I don't think we would have made it without you.
No problem. We're all on the same team.
No wcześniej to się tak kurde nie wydawało, nie?
So you're a cancer survivor, like Vernon and the others.
Yeah, I was diagnosed when I was in college. Been getting treatment ever since. Just when I was starting to get better, when I thought there might be some hope, all this happened. Lost my whole family. I'm the only one who survived. Funny how things work out, huh?
No, fany.
How long have you known Vernon?
Couple of years. He ran our support group. He was really great, helping me come to terms with my disease. But how do you come to terms with something like this? With a place like Crawford? I don't know what I or the other survivors would have done without Vernon. He's the one who held us together, kept us alive.
What do you think about this whole Crawford situation?
I'd rather not talk about it. Too many awful memories. Even being back here gives me a bad feeling.
Even now, with everyone dead?
I got no sympathy for what happened to these people. They weeded out the sick and the old, even children, those least able to defend themselves so that they could save their own skins. Whatever happened here, however Crawford fell, I consider it poetic justice.
Damn, girl, that's cold.
It's how I feel. If you'd seen what I seen, you'd feel the same.
Poetic justice.
I'm a little busy here, Lee. Maybe you should go get that battery or help with the medicine.
Od kiedy Poetic justice to jest Boża sprawiedliwość?
You okay, Clem?
Yeah. Where's Molly?
She had to go run an errand. She'll be back soon.
I hope she's okay.
She'll be fine. She's pretty tough. Just sit tight, okay? I need to go take care of a few things.
All right.
No lepiej by było, żeby Molly wróciła, bo jak nie wróci, to jesteśmy, że tak powiem, w dupiu.
What do we still need?
We already got the fuel and the battery. Once we find some medicine, we'll be good to go.
So where's this battery you found?
Molly has it. She ran off to do something.
Well, she'd better bring it back here. I don't know why you trusted that girl with it. We hardly know her.
She saved your life, didn't she?
Yeah, but what has she done for me lately?
How you guys doing with that door?
Slower than I'd like.
Don't worry, we'll get it open. I think.
Co ja tu jeszcze mam do roboty? Kurde, uwaliłem se Bobem klawiaturę. Ja muszę żreć, bo jestem znerwicowany. Ta gra mnie stresuje. Ja mogę się jeszcze przejść. Jakieś łyski leżały czy coś. Takiego tam było. W ogóle ja bym się bał tak klamkę nosić w dupie, że mi wyszczeli.
Sounds like there's a shit ton of walkers out there.
Coś było, nie?
They've already been fired. They're worthless.
Czy Rox MB oglądałem? Nie wiem co to. A nie, tam my byli, stamtąd żeśmy wrócili, to tam już nie idę. Gdzie nosić klamkę jak nie masz kabury? No to no w sumie nie wiem, no. W sumie racja.
Shit.
LOL? Ej,
Krista and Vernon must be trapped in there.
ale jaja. Nie wiem, czy to był dobry pomysł. Ja jestem bogaty. Amunicji mamy nieskończoność, także możemy strzelać dużo a dużo.
What the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here. The whole place is infested. They're everywhere.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what we need?
Yeah, that's our other problem. Take a look. Looks
kot-
like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe, locked up tight.
There's no way we can bust it open?
Maybe with enough time, but I don't know how much of that we have. Be a hell of a lot quicker if we just knew the 4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Myślę, że gówno nie otworzymy, no ale... próbować warto, nie?
Just a bunch of papers. No safe combination, though. Looks like some kind of medical file. Phones probably haven't worked in months. Not working.
Tu coś w ogóle działa? Niewiele.
What is this? A copy machine. Not that it matters with no power around here.
I te gniazdka amerykańskie. Szatańskie. Nieludzkie.
What's this on the floor?
It's a sonogram.
Looks pretty sturdy. No way we're gonna force that open.
We might be able to find something to pry it open, but it'll take time.
We don't have time. Omid needs that medicine. We have to get it open now.
Dobra, z pistola.
Do you think shooting it open would work?
Only thing that would accomplish is getting us all killed. So, no, I don't.
Looks pretty sturdy.
Dobra, to już było.
No way we're gonna force that open. Hey, Krista.
Yeah?
Are you making any progress with the safe?
No. Without the combination, I don't know how we're gonna get this damn thing open. If we don't get back to Omid with some medicine soon...
It's okay, we'll figure it out. I hope I did the right thing bringing Clementine with us. This place isn't exactly safe.
Then why did you?
Because leaving her alone with Omid didn't seem any safer.
What's that supposed to mean?
No offense, Krista, but Omid's pretty sick. If he dies with Clementine alone in the house with her...
That is not gonna happen. Do you hear me? That is not going to happen. We're going to get these meds to Omid, and he's going to be fine. He's going to be fine!
You're right, I'm sorry. Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine. Why are you asking me that?
It's just that you've been looking a little pale
Kurde,
the
bo się
past couple
martwię.
of days. You've been throwing up.
Oh, come on! You just dug up a rotting dog carcass! I'm surprised we weren't all throwing up. Lee, I'm fine. Quit worrying about me, okay? Worry about Omid. We've got to get him these meds. Look, Lee, I just want to get back to Omid. Let me do my thing, all right?
Okay. There's dried blood on this printout. And on the floor. Looks like a trail of it from the safe to the camera over there. Then out the door. What the hell happened here?
Nie mam pojęcia.
Y'all already checked these drawers?
Yes, Lee. Nothing in there worth taking.
Already cleaned out.
Nic tu nie ma. Kamera jest.
No tape inside.
A, nie to.
No tape inside.
No tape inside.
The way this camera's set up, it
Siema,
looks like
Grzechu.
it would have had a pretty good view of that keypad. I wonder if it caught someone punching it in.
Kurde. O!
Correa. Guess she must have been a patient here. And what's this? I think
Tape.
maybe we just got lucky.
It's
That'd
a
be
tape.
first.
How's it coming?
Slow. Too slow. I'm worried that by the time we manage to get this thing open, it may be too late.
Molly helped me get the battery we needed.
That's great. One down. Where is she?
She took off. Had some kind of errand she needed to run.
Took off? With the battery?
Yeah. Don't worry, she'll be back.
I hope so. That girl doesn't really strike me as a team player. More the mercenary kind.
Kaźwa. Kuźwa.
How much time do you think Omid has?
Będą mnie obwiniać.
You want my medical opinion? The sooner we get him some strong antibiotics to start fighting that infection, the better. Let's just leave it at that, huh?
Hey, Doc, I just wanted to thank you for coming with us, and for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. It's times like these we've got to help each other the most, right? And we're no better than those Crawford sons of bitches.
I heard that. I'll go see if I can find something that'll help us get that safe open.
Good idea.
Siema, Szekor. No i dawamy kasetę. I oglądamy.
Vernon, Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical examinations and consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
You don't have to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea. That
Lol.
you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm going to give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Anna, you don't have a choice. Now, if you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Ciężkie tematy nadeszły, moi drodzy.
Damn it, we almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Like Molly said, the worst kind.
Lee, maybe there's another tape. We gotta keep looking.
I think I recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto shop.
Maybe you should search it. See what he's got on.
Oje. Przeszukać, no super pomysł zombiaka przeszukać. No dobra, ale idę no. To się szło jakoś tutaj. Tam, nie? Dobra. Żeby on tam jeszcze był, bo on był trochę żywy, nie? Ostatnio. No pewnie Molly, pewnie jej dziecko wyskrobał. Bez to była znerwowana. Taka jest moja teoria. O! Ale strachłem. O kurde. No i... A, jest. Odpełza. Gnój. Nie ma, szefie, muszę cię zbutować. Przepraszam. Ła! Tak zwany curb stomp. No i jest. No i jest.
Just what we need. And what's this? Looks like some kind of code. But Vernon said the safe combination was only 4 numbers. Shit, time to go.
Szybko poszło. Do curb stompa potrzebny jest chodnik. No niby tak. Ale też ładnie wyszło.
I found another tape. This one's dated October 10th.
That's the day after the first one we watched.
Put it in.
Have you made a decision?
I thought you said I didn't have a choice.
Well, technically you do. You can terminate the pregnancy or leave Crawford. Of course, that would be a death sentence for both you and your unborn child.
Maybe that's best. I stayed up all last night thinking about this. Why are we even trying to survive? To keep on living, if this is what it takes? If this is what it's turned us into?
I don't make the rules, Anna.
Doctor, I'm begging you. Please help me.
Maybe one day, when things are different, you can try again. But for now, today, we have to do this.
W derę.
No.
Kurde, Pinkett, nie spoiluj. Proszę, no, czy ktoś na czacie pilnuje coś? Czy ja muszę... Dobra. Czukapagra. Przepraszam za przerwę. Czukapagra, pilnuj porządku.
I think we know what happened to Crawford.
More importantly, we got the combination.
Krista, are you all right?
No to jest podpowiedź, no.
It's nothing. That was just
Oficjalna,
hard to watch.
brzydka, taka
Don't worry
nieładna.
about me. I'm fine.
All right. Let's get those
Sugestia.
meds and get the hell out of here.
Jasne, sugestia. Idź otwórz szafkę, do tego jest kod. Sugestia. Kurde, ja nie jestem taki głupi. Domyśliłbym się.
Antibiotics, morphine. We take as much of this as we can carry. Okay, I think we're good. This
Nie
is
no,
more than enough for
usuwać,
your people
nie
and
banować.
mine.
Jeszcze.
Let's go.
You go on ahead. I want to make sure we didn't miss anything. I'll be right behind you.
Don't take too long.
Napisał może. No to, kurde... I tak radzę się pilnować.
Vernon and Krista already took
Znaczy teraz to już... Teraz to już... Nieważne. Ale tak na przyszłość.
Logan. This must have been his locker. A videotape?
Idziemy jeszcze raz obejrzeć. What's that? What?
Listen, as fun as this was, I have to put a stop to this little arrangement. This is the last I can give you.
Why?
Oberson had someone down here yesterday taking inventory.
Leki za
He's
dupczenie.
really cracking down. I just can't risk it.
We had a deal.
Yes, we had a deal. We don't anymore.
My sister needs this medicine. Without it, she'll die, or she'll start showing symptoms and they'll take her away. I can't let that happen.
I'm sorry, Molly. I've done all I can, but I have to look out for myself here.
Yeah, that's the Crawford way, isn't it?
No nieźle. Kupczenie ciałem za leki są naprawdę motywy ciężkie. Nie,
Well, shit.
nie dla dzieci. Także dzieci muszą odejść od ekranów. No, brutalne. Brutalne fest. Dobra, co wszystko mamy, to już mogę wrócić, nie?
Jesus Christ! Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Where the fuck have you been?
Sightseeing.
I'll take that battery now.
Oh, yeah, about that. I'm just kidding.
Wiedziałem. Wiedziałem. Że mnie robi zabuzna.
Here you go.
What's that?
Nothing.
You can quit with the act, Molly. I know you're from Crawford.
What? Who told you that?
I saw you on a security tape. Why'd you lie to me?
I said there were stories about Crawford. I never said that's how I knew about it. I never lied to you, and even if I did, so what? I don't owe you anything.
You saved my life twice, but you can't tell me the truth?
Are we really gonna do this now?
I guess that's up to you.
I used to live here with my sister. She was 14 years old. When the dead started walking and Crawford shut itself in, it seemed like a pretty good deal at first. We were safe. We had everything we needed to survive. Then the rules started coming down. No one who couldn't justify their place earned their keep. No one who required special care. My sister was diabetic, and by Crawford's rules, that made her a liability. I kept it a secret, kept her safe for as long as I could, but in the end, I couldn't protect her. That's when I got out. Crawford, they always talked about how their system worked, how anything was better than becoming one of them, but I saw what they'd already become. I just wish I could have seen it before it was too late, before they came and took my sister away.
Shit.
This is all I have left of her. I didn't have time to take it before I got out of Crawford. I just wanted it, okay?
It's okay, Molly. I understand. She's pretty.
What the hell?
I think that's our cue to get the hell out of here.
Whoa!
Jesus!
O!
Sorry. I just got spooked by those bells, and then I heard someone coming.
What the fuck are you doing out here?
Kenny and I still can't get the door open to the armory. He sent me out to look for something we can use to bust it open. I found this.
Ben? Where did you get that?
I just found it. It was stuck in the door handle at the end of the hallway back.
Ja pierdolę! Jaki debil! Jaki to jest idiota! My się go musimy pozbyć.
Lee! Shoot this fucker! Thanks.
It wasn't me!
Good going, kid. Nice shot.
O kurde.
Thanks.
Jaki to jest
What the fuck
przychlas.
is going on?
They're coming.
Oh, shit. That ought to hold him.
Ja
Sure, but now how do we get
pierdzielę.
out?
Through the armory.
Jaki to jest
Just get this
mój...
damn door open. Come on, damn you!
My go musimy się pozbyć. On już trzeci raz. Trzeci raz. Trzeci raz.
What the hell's he babbling about?
Ben, we talked about this.
No, wait. I want to know what he meant. What do you mean this is all your fault?
Walimy go na łeb.
Penny, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
Kid, this ain't the best time. Whatever you did, save it for later.
Fine. Go ahead. Tell them.
It's been me all along, putting all of us in danger. Katja and Duck, it was all me. It was all me.
Wait a minute. What are you saying?
It was me who made the deal with the bandits at the motor inn, slipping them supplies. I
Ty
thought maybe I could keep
gnoju.
them off our
Ty
backs. When
gnoju.
it got discovered, that's when they attacked. And that's when Duck...
Kitty man, I agree with you. You should kick his ass. But now's not the time. We gotta focus on getting out of here.
You little pissant! You're fucking dead! You hear me? Dead! My wife and child! You gotta both fucking kill!
Kenny, listen to me. You can whip his skinny little ass later. But right now, we gotta go!
Ja bym go puścił, no.
Nice group you got here.
Not the time, Molly.
If this asshole thinks he's getting on my boat after what he did, he's out of his motherfucking mind!
Kenny, I know you're upset. I understand. But you don't get to make a decision like that on your own. We're all in this together. We're a group.
Sure! Take a vote! This is America! Fuck it! But before you all decide, there's something you ought to know.
America.
Boat's not big enough for all of us. Somebody's gotta get left behind. Might as well be this piece of shit right here!
Yes!
Well, I vote we leave him. I'm sorry, Ben. I know you mean well.
Zostawić
but all
go.
I want to do is get back to Omid, and you put that at risk.
Wait, don't I get a vote?
Nie! Nie no.
Of course you do.
Ben's nice. He's my friend. We don't leave friends behind. That's my vote.
Ben to
Second thought, I think I'm gonna abstain.
pizduś. Zostawiamy go. I chuj. Przepraszam. Dziękuję.
I'm sorry, Ben. I've got to do what's best for the group. And that means cutting you loose.
Trzy razy żeśmy zdechli przez
What
niego
about the
prawie.
rest of us?
Ile
Don't we get
można?
a say?
O kurwa, no.
Now can we go?
Damn right. Vernon, come on!
Chyba się jedno miejsce jednak zwolniło.
So much for the armory.
What's left of it?
W jelito wyrwał.
A
Szalony.
few rounds. That's it.
You didn't close that door behind us?
I couldn't. The lock was busted.
Great. Just fucking great. Come on! There's gotta be a way out down here!
O!
Fuck! It's not gonna hold.
No.
Back upstairs!
Lee, look!
O! O! Ha! Na pyrę. Ciul. O! Dobra. Wygrzebał mi jelito. Kuźwa. Czyli trzeba też strzelać do zombie, wychodzi na to. No nie! Kurde. Jeszcze tyle razy nigdy nie zginąłem. Dobra, teraz noga. Teraz zombie. No nie! Dobra, raz noga, raz zombie, tak zrobimy. Albo 2 razy noga i zombie. Dobra, raz, 2 i zombie. I drugi. I noga. Noga. No. Moda. A nie. Corno. Na pyrę. Na łeb. Z buta. A! Ale akcja. Nie teraz. Teraz się nie tulimy.
Any way out of here?
This leads to the roof. We might be able to find a way down from there.
You didn't come into town from the railroad, did you?
Yeah. Why?
Never mind. I can see the sewer where we came in from here. I think we can do this.
Well, what are we waiting for? Go! Go!
Yeah, come on, let's go!
What?
Hold on, Ben! I've got you!
No.
Ben, climb up! Come on, you can do it!
There's no time. You have to go now.
Quit fucking around, Ben! Come on!
Let go, damn it! Get Clem and the others out of here.
Lee.
Lee, we both know. Let me go.
Dobra, dam okazję być bohaterem. Ha! No. Problem solved.
Krista? Everything okay?
Omid!
Nie godejcie, że kipnął.
Is he dead? Krista, don't! Stay back!
Bez jaj.
I never should have left you.
Bez jaj.
So sorry.
Krista, get away from him.
Hey,
Aha.
back already?
Ja
We
pierdaczę.
got you medicine.
Good. Feel like I could use some.
Ale by był przypał. Jakby całe te staranie się było w ogóle
Where's Ben?
niepotrzebne.
He didn't make it.
What happened? Dumb son of a bitch nearly got us all killed. Lee stepped up and did what he had to. That's what happened.
Nice going, asshole.
What's eating you?
Yeah, I did what I had to. But I don't expect Clementine to understand that. Hell, I don't want her to understand it.
You did the right thing. Trust me. She'll understand. I'm gonna go start work on the boat.
Okay, with a little luck, you should start feeling better pretty soon. I'll stay here for a few more hours to check on him. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, Doc.
Yes, thank you so much.
Maybe now's a good time for you and me to have a little talk, in private.
Listen, man, about what happened to Bree.
Please, save your sympathy for someone who's buying it.
What?
You don't think by now I got you figured? You don't strike me as someone who has a lot of consideration for others. Look at what you did to get me to come here with you in the first place. You expect me to believe you give a shit that it wound up costing Bree her life?
Now just hold on a damn minute. Listen!
No, you listen. You got some good people here, and they look to you as their leader. Well, I'm here to tell you, the kind of leader you are, they're not gonna make it much longer. And you're kidding yourself if you think putting them all on a boat is gonna solve anything. Now, you may not care about all of those people, but I know you care about that little girl. Which is why I'm gonna make you an offer.
What kind of an offer?
I'll take her off your hands, take her back with me to my people. We're well supplied, well hidden, and a lot of us have had kids of our own. And now Crawford's fallen, we got nothing left to fear from them. She'll be safe with us. Safer than she will be if she stays with you.
Moda idzie ze mną. Nie.
That's what you want for her, isn't it? To be safe?
I'm gonna pretend you didn't say any of this and give you a chance to walk away, which you ought to do right now.
I know you think you're doing what's best for her. And if you were her real father, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But you're not, are you? Just another one of your lies.
That little girl's in my care. We've been through more together than you can imagine. Anyone who tries to get between me and her, anyone, is gonna wind up dead. You hear me?
Take your hands off me.
Się uwzięli na mnie.
Hey, going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm about to head out. I just wanted to say thanks for everything. It's been fun.
Ej, niech idzie z nami.
What are you talking about? Kenny's working on the boat right now. Thought you were coming with us. God knows you earned it.
Yeah, I've been thinking it over. It's not for me. Sounds like it'd be pretty crowded, and I never did like the water.
You sure about this?
I'm sure. I've always done better on my own anyhow. Listen, I'm not much for goodbyes. Tell the others for me?
Sure. You take care of yourself, Molly.
You too, Lee.
O,
And you be sure to take care of that little girl. You know she thinks the world of you.
Good luck.
Ain't nothing to do with luck.
Hey, Sweet Pea.
Kenny's working on the boat.
I know.
What are we going to do after he fixes it? Where will we go?
We'll go wherever Kenny says. He's a good captain, and he knows the waters down south. He'll know where to take us. Clem, honey, what's wrong?
What happened to Ben? What did Kenny mean when he said you did what you had to?
Był zagrożeniem.
This may be hard to understand right now, but sometimes for the good of everyone, we have to make tough choices. Ben was putting us all in danger in Crawford, so I made a decision, and I left him behind. I know that sounds bad, but I had to think about the whole group, not just one person.
But I'm just one person.
Not to me, you're not.
Before we leave tomorrow, will we have time to look for my parents?
Nie będę
I'd
kłamał.
like to, Clem, but I don't think we'll have time. We really shouldn't stay here any longer. It's not safe. Clementine?
No i zaś nie ma. Zaś będzie szukania.
Clementine?
Albo wzięła łódź i odpłynęła.
Clementine? Clementine! Oh, God.
Shit.
Clem?
Shit. Ło kurde.
No. 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 Fuck.
Lee? Lee? You out here?
Kurde bele.
Are you crazy? What are you doing out here? It ain't
Dobra,
safe.
pokażę im.
Where's Clementine? She's not in her room.
Vernon ain't in the house either.
Nic nie będę ukrywał.
What the hell is going on?
Whose blood is that?
It's mine.
Oh my god.
No way. No. No fucking way.
There's no time to worry about me. Clementine's gone.
There's no chance she just wandered off on her own?
No. No way.
Then who the hell took her?
I don't know. Last night, Vernon came to me and offered to take her with him. Said she'd be better off.
Son of a bitch. I knew we couldn't trust that fucker.
Wherever she is, I have to find her.
Okay. What do you need from us?
I don't know what to do here. I don't even know if I can ask for your help.
Lee, we're a team. That's how we've made it this far. We're not going to just abandon you.
Even now?
Especially now. You've earned that much.
Damn straight.
So that's settled then. We'll look for Clementine together.
Thanks, you guys. I appreciate it. Really.
You've always been there for me, Lee. Always had my back when it mattered. What kind of friend would I be if I wasn't there for you now? Bitten or not, I'm with you to the end. You can count on me.
Okay, guys, we should go find Vernon, see if he took her. Let's head out.
What about the boat? We just gonna leave it unguarded?
If someone was gonna take it, they'd have done it already. Besides, what choice do we have?
Tak, będę grał w drugi sezon też. No i się wszystko zdupiło, no. Siema Mateusz. Już mieli odpływać, już miało być cudownie. Do Bałtyku, przepraszam, do Bałtyku, potem do Wisły. Do Krakowa by dopłynęli. Potem do Bytomki, do Bytomia i by se żyli w Bytomiu. Murzyn w Bytomiu to by była fajna atrakcja. Jerona. Zombie będą. Gówno, nic nie ma.
Where the hell are they?
Looks like they got out of here in a hurry.
Nasikać na rękę, tak.
Vernon, get out here! There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt.
Pardons. Ała, a mnie noga zabolała. Dzięki, dzięki. What? Czy będę grał w dodatek? Nie wiem. Na razie pierwszy, drugi sezon. O kurwa.
Are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch!
Hello, Lee.
Who is this?
It's not Vernon, if that's what you're thinking. And you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine, but if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
Zajebie cię. Nie no, spuszczamy z tonu. I co teraz? Ło, ale byłem hipsterem tutaj. Pozwoliłem Benowi spaść. Byłem mocno hipsterski w tym. Można powiedzieć. Niklaus oryginalny. Rozdzielone procenty mniej więcej porówno. To jest koniec tego? To jest koniec pierwszego sezonu już? Znaczy... No, sezonu? Czyli mi się wydawało, że jeszcze piąty. Jeszcze piąty, nie? Jeszcze piąty epizod, no. Ja myślałem przez moment, że to jest piąty. Dobra, ja tu sobie zakończę nagrywanie na YouTubka. Także koniec czwartego epizodu, jeszcze jeden i koniec pierwszego sezonu. Także kto na YouTubie dotarł do końca, zapraszam do zostawienia łapki w górę. Widzimy się w kolejnych. Nikogo nie szczeliło.